Application of Gram-Schmidt process. First question. Use Gram-Schmidt process. Gram-Schmidt process to find an orthogonal basis from the basis 101, 111 and 134 of R3 with standard inner product. Now solution. First of all, let alpha equals to 101, alpha 1 equals to 101, alpha 2 equals to 111 and alpha 3 equals to 134. Therefore, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 is a basis of R3. Let beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 be an orthogonal basis of R3. Be an orthogonal basis of R3. Therefore, by Gram-Schmidt process, beta 1 equals to alpha 1 equals to 101. Here inner product of alpha to beta 1 इक्वल्स टू, अभी हमारे पास है अल्फ़ा 2 इक्वल्स टू 111 एंड बीटा 1 इक्वल्स टू अल्फ़ा 1 इक्वल्स टू 101. तो अभी हमें बस इन नंबरों को मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करना है. 1 इंटू 1 1, 1 इंटू 0 0, 1 इंटू 1 1, दैट इज़ 2. देयरफॉर इनर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अल्फ़ा 2 बीटा 1 इक्वल्स टू 2. सिमिलरली इनर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बीटा 1 इक्वल्स टू बीटा 1 का वैल्यू क्या है 101. So inner product of beta 1 is equals to 1 into 1, 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1, 2, that is 2. Now here beta 2 equals to alpha 2 minus inner product of alpha 2 beta 1 divided by inner product of beta 1 into beta 1 equals to 111 minus 2 by 2, 101 equals to 010. Now inner product of alpha 3 beta 1 equals to alpha 3 का वैल्यू क्या है 134 और बीटा 1 equals to 101. So alpha 3 beta 1 is 1 plus 0 plus 4 equals to 5. Similarly, inner product of alpha 3 beta 2 equals to alpha 3 beta 2 equals to 3. Inner product of beta 2 equals to 1. Therefore, beta 3 equals to alpha 3 minus inner product of alpha 3 beta 1 divided by inner product of beta 1 into beta 1 minus inner product of alpha 3 beta 2 divided by inner product of beta 2 into beta 2, that is equals to 134 minus 5 by 2 101 minus 3 by 1 010 equals to minus 3 by 2 0 and 3 by 2. Therefore, beta 1 beta 2 beta 3 equals to 101 010 and minus 3 by 2 0 3 by 2. अभी अगर क्वेश्चन में ऑर्थोगोनल के साथ साथ ऑर्थोनॉर्मल बेसिस भी पूछा जाए तो द रिक्वायर्ड ऑर्थोनॉर्मल बेसिस फॉर द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन इज 1 बाय नॉर्म बीटा 1 इंटू बीटा 1, 1 बाय नॉर्म बीटा 2 इंटू बीटा 2 and 1 by norm beta 3 into beta 3, that is equals to value of norm beta 1 equals to, हमें क्या पता है, बीटा 1 equals to 101, so norm beta 1 equals to 1 square, 0 square plus 1 square equals to root 2, so 1 by root 2 101. Similarly norm beta 2 equals to बीटा 2 का वैल्यू क्या है, बीटा 2 equals to 010, so norm beta 2 equals to root over 0 square plus 0 1 square plus 1 1, so it is 101. Now beta 3 equals to minus 3 by 2 0 3 by 2, so norm beta 3 equals to root over 3 by 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4 equals to root under 18 by 4, that is equals to 3 root 2 by 2, so 3 by root 2, 3 by root 2, that is root 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 2 0 3 by 2, ये आएगा